Thank you. I first of all wish to thank the president of the Orange Democratic Party Youth League, and that is why I'm here, and congratulate him for being nominated as a member of the National Assembly. I think it is in a way a recognition of the league and of its leadership. And I hope if more chances occur, we should have a preference for members of the league. Secondly, I think with nostalgia, when the reform movement started, we used to refer to Jaramogi as the oldest young Turk at the time. Now I find myself in a situation where I can say I'm the oldest member of OIL. Two things which have come up which I like, that we are going to keep our identity, we are going to keep our vision, and we are going to remain the best organized party, not only in the Republic of Kenya, but in the region. With that vision, with that organization, and with the discipline that our members have, I think the sky is not the limit. The sky is just a target, but we aim beyond the sky. And I know we are going to succeed. Thank you very much.
I thank you for all the leaders who have spoken. I wish that you now release us because we have important businesses already 2:30 and the House is in session. You understand the national duty that is before the House. Kindly release us. If there are any questions, they will be answered by the President of the Youth League, Honorable Ketora. Thank you very much and God bless. Thank you.
SG, they are requested for a photo session.
My friend.
Even for only 2 minutes.
Well, photo session, 2 minutes.
SG.